Relay app get paid to post. So here's how the app looks like. You just create your account, and then there are instructions what you need to do to connect your TikTok account. So the hint is here is that you need to create completely new TikTok account to kind of warm it up. They show the instructions how to do it, and this way you can get much more views on your videos. And then you see your accounts. You can see some leaderboard, what people are earning in here. You can see your profile, payout balance. Once you hit $50, you press your payout and you'll get paid with the next batch. And then basically you need to connect your TikTok, and then you will see kind of challenges how you can request from brands. So make your first post, 7 posts, 30 posts, and then you just just cash up after that. I don't know whether in this app you have specific brand requests, like brand requesting you to post specific content and sometimes providing you content. There are apps like that, or you just posting videos and you earn with that. But what they say, to keep things fair, only posts made on the new properly warmed up account count towards your rewards. Our team reviews each post to confirm you follow the template, mentioned the brand, posted appropriate content. Rewards must be earned in order. So this is what you have just in here, the guideline. So yeah, that's kind of the idea, what you can see. And yeah, so but the thing is, I tried 2 times. I cannot connect my TikTok account in here. It's quite glitchy. I don't know for what reason. I also reached out to their support, and this is, you can see how you do that. So I created my account, completely new TikTok account, and it doesn't accept me. I restarted the app, cleared cache, all of this still doesn't work. So the app is kind of in a beta version, you need to know that, and it's quite glitchy. But yeah, you can give it a try.